I would like my 9-year-old schefflera plant to be fuller and thicker at the bottom. It has only 2 long stems that have to be tied to a center support to keep it upright. It is approximately 3 feet tall. How should I prune my schefflera to make it fuller? And this is Sandra in Oakland, Tennessee. Joellen, she wants to prune it to make it fuller.
And she's very right. That's correct.
She's very right.
It's 3 feet tall. Well, it doesn't take very much, because what she's got, if she's got 2 major stems, you got to think about apical dominance.
Oh, look at you.
And
right.
each stem has got an apical dominance. You cut the apical dominance off, and then the branches on below it break.
Okay.
So that's going to make it more full. It doesn't matter how much she cuts it, because wherever she cuts it, she's going to break that apical dominance. So it's up to her of how much she wants to cut. But she should cut each stem, and then that will help all the other branches break out and be more full.
So cut each stem, right?
However much she wants, because it doesn't matter.
Okay.
She will take out that apical dominance of each one, and she'll have a fuller plant.
Wow. It would have been nice to have a picture just to see it. Just to get some idea.
Nice.
Why, anything you want to add to that?
I don't know a whole lot about house plants, but I think with those particular plants, when you cut them, if you cut it like on the inside, like will that make it grow the shoots towards the insides, the ones that's going to come after?
Yeah, it depends on where the leaves come out.
Okay.
That's where the leaf margin is, where the next stem is going to come out.
Okay.
So, yeah, it depends on, you can direct the way that the plant grows.
It may go to the outside instead of the inside.
It's true. Okay. That's true too, yeah.
We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.